Hi everyone, it's time for literacy. We're not learning any new common words this week, but we're going over the ones that we've done over the last few weeks. Let's do some reading. We've got live, what, little, give, one, that's number one, have, only, when, like, old, down, by. And last week's we had also, after, always, every, of, and love. So the Bella Little Dolly mixture of Look, Say, Cover, Write, Check worksheet for you to have a go. Yesterday we were writing you and a. So what comes after? It's V and the sound is V. Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. I can hear you sing with me. Good, well, let's have a look. Well, yesterday, as part of our Go Global theme, I sent some Greek vases that you can colour or do some Greek alphabet on. And vase starts with a V sound, V. And when it's a capital V, it's for the name of a person or a place. We call that a proper noun. But vase is a noun. And also I've got something else here. This is a little picture, cartoon picture of a, can you guess? Can you see it? It's a Viking. A Viking. Vikings lived a long, long time ago, and they lived over in Scandinavia. And very famously, a lot of them came over in their long boats and settled in parts of Scotland and England, but famously in the Shetland Islands and the Orkney Islands, where I went from holidays. Remember I talked about that before. And they still have a big Viking celebration the end of January, beginning of February, called Uphellia, where a lot of people still dress up as Vikings, and they put a big long boat on fire. Nobody's on the boat, don't worry. It's a sort of festival, a Viking festival. So I'm going to write that in our sentence today. So we're always learning a bit about Go Global, aren't we? Let's look at names beginning with V. Quite a lot. We have Violet, Vera, Vincent, Victor, but there's lots more. And then places, Venezuela is a country in South America. Vietnam is a country in Asia. The Vatican City is a very, very small, tiny country in the north of Italy. It's where the Pope lives. Vaud is a place in the Shetlands, a little island in a little village in the Shetlands, and we've been there. And Battersea is a little village in Barra, which is on the west coast of Scotland. So maybe you could look up some of those on your map. Let's get ready to write clouds in the sky. And from the clouds come the raindrops. Warm up your hands. And then we have bursts of sunshine. That's it. And when we have clouds and rain and sunshine, it makes a rainbow, a rainbow, a rainbow, a rainbow. Well, capital V is really easy. It's just like little v, but twice the size. And V has got a jaggy point. So it starts up here and you come down diagonally, down to a jaggy point, and then back up. A bit like a tooth, a dinosaur's tooth. Little v is half the size. Capital V, down to a jaggy point, and then a a little one half the size. It's really easy. You can do your little viz, no problem. So it's just making it twice the size. Do one more down to a jaggy point and down. Okay, good. Let's look at our sentence today. Last summer, Vera and Vincent went to Vaud, which is that place I was telling you, village. Village starts with V. In the Shetlands, to visit starts with a V, some Vikings. And I've got an exclamation mark because I think that'd be actually quite exciting to see a Viking. Now stay there, I'm just going to bring something over. You stay where you are. Before we finish, let's just revise our new double vowel sound, which was E and A, say E in words. And we've already met two E's together, say E, like in sheep and teeth, sweet, but sometimes an N and A. So we had, can you see that? We had leaf, jeans, teapot. Let's see if I've got another one. Oh, we had tea bag, teacher, read, and the sea. That's the water, the sea, not to see something. That's two A's together. I've got some more for you. Oh, I've got a seal. There we are, a seal, like that goes into the sea. Pea or peas. I've got lots of little peas. I like to have peas for my tea. A seat. An eagle. It's a beautiful big bird. You might want to look up pictures of eagles. They're so big and beautiful. We've got some golden eagles in Scotland. Stream. That's like a little river, not a big sea or a big river, but a little gentle stream. Team. Oh, we make a great team in our class. It's like lots of people together. Maybe you've got a football team or a netball team. So it's like players that play together, people that work together to get something done. And the last one I found was a treat. And I've drawn a lovely cake, which is a treat. But maybe you think chocolate's a treat or grapes are a treat. Treat. So if you've not done it yet, I sent along these. I sent you some leaf and little leaves. Maybe you could add some more of those words to your leaf pictures. Okay, well, have a great weekend, friends. Lots of love, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.